This semester has been really hard for me, and I've just been really stressed out because of life and school, so this is my nighttime routine to help me de-stress a little bit, and it's nothing special, but this is a typical college night in my life.
A monster. I'm gonna start. Nothing on it. Oh yeah,
That one noodle place that, I mean, I guess it's in a lot of big cities.
Oh yeah,
It's in London.
I want to show you guys some of the glasses I've been trying out from Warby Parker with their free try-on program. I got 5 different pairs of glasses to try out to see which ones I'm going to pick because I really need some new glasses. So I have my home try-on kit with all these different options that I got to pick out on the website. I really like the home try-on program that Warby Parker does because it's completely free and it comes with a prepaid return shipping label. So once you get to try on all these different pairs, you can just ship it back for free. It's just nice to be able to actually try on a pair before you buy glasses because that's a pretty big commitment. These are the Wayland glasses in this tortoiseshell print. These are so cute. They fit really nicely. I definitely have a preference on the shape. So all of the glasses that I decided to try have this sort of similar like round shapes. I have the Percy glasses in striped sassafras, and I have actually had these exact glasses in the past and I loved them. They were like my favorite, but I don't know, I'm thinking about switching it up. And I really like these ones because they come in a narrow size, which is really good because I have a very small head. And then these are the Durand glasses in Whiskey Tortoise. I think these might be the winner for me. They might be my next glasses because these definitely fit the best. They're also in a tortoiseshell print, but it's a lot more subtle. Warby Parker is committed to providing exceptional vision care, offering eyeglasses, sunglasses, contact lenses, and eye exams. And their glasses start at $95, including prescription lenses. So don't let your FSA and HSA dollars go to waste. Put them to good use with Warby Parker prescription glasses, prescription sunglasses, contact lenses, and eye exams. You guys can try Warby Parker's free home try-on program like me and order 5 pairs of glasses to try at home for free. There's no obligation to buy. It ships free and includes a prepaid shipping label. So you guys can try 5 pairs of glasses at home for free at warbyparker.com/EmmaClaire.